Guys, in my hand is a Boltt Ninja 3 smartwatch, and in this video we are going to show you how to use the countdown feature in this smartwatch. So for doing this, you can see that this is the phone, and this is the smartwatch, and if you simply move your finger up here, then you will get the option to choose the countdown from here. This is the switch we normally use to power on or off. Okay, and suppose if you unlock and simply move your finger upward, there you can see all the details shown: messages, sleep, weather, steps, measure heart rate, exercises, PO2, weather, shutter, player, breathe, flashlight, game, and you can see settings is written below. You must click the settings. So if you press the settings, there you can see the option stopwatch is there, alarm is there, countdown is there, brightness is there. So you must click the countdown. So if you want to count down, suppose if you are in running or something, if you want to check out the countdown time, you must simply turn on. For example, if the countdown is for 3 minutes, you must click 3, and after that you must click this green button here. Now you can see that the countdown have been started here. Suppose if you want to pause, so this is very helpful if you are doing in athletics and all. So suppose if you want to pause, you must click this here. Now you can see that it is pause, and if you want to continue it again, you must simply click here. And suppose if you want to close this feature countdown, then you can simply click this button here. Hope this video is helpful. For more video updates, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.